Hello, I'm Eric, and if you're a lawyer using MerusCase, I have a great automation for you to automate the intake process using LegalPal signature. So, and what that entails is you can get all of the documents that the client completes, you can get data from them using a web form, and then all of that is sent to the MerusCase case file, and you can also generate an activity, and that activity can generate a workflow in MerusCase. So I'm going to show you all of that in a few easy steps. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is sign in to legalpal.app/sign into your account using Google or Microsoft. Now, I'm going to assume that you already have an integration set up, right? And basically how you do that is you generate a token in MerusCase, right? I'm also going to assume that you have templates set up and that you have an intake packet set up, right? These are packets, and you can just create a new packet, select templates, right? Now, this is the long form intake packet I'm going to show you. For example, if we load this, we can collect a bunch of custom fields and data from them, right? From their name, home address, occupation, social security, date of birth, employer, right? Phone number, all that stuff in the packet. And that will be generated automatically in the case file. So then all we have to do is share. Right now I have email. If you have SMS enabled, chatting SMS, there will be the SMS feature available. And if you don't have their information already in here, you can add their case directly. Let me get the sample case from MerusCase. Right, so you have their case open, you added them already, and maybe their information already. If you don't have them in the database already, you can just insert that MerusCase link, you fetch that data, you save it, and then you send it, and that's pretty much it. The client will receive an email. Let me open up that email and show you what that looks like. This is the email that they receive. You have a document to sign. This is the client. Please review and sign the document. You can also customize that subject line. If you noticed that before in the preparing to send. So the client will open this up. You can look at all of the documents that they need to sign. This is just opening up the packet, so these are all the documents part of the intake packet. You can then click sign the document. They can do this on their mobile device. They insert these, they fill out this form. There's also, it's multilingual like this. And I'm just going to speed run this through so you can see it all work, so I don't have to pull up some past thing. I'll just show you how the process works. So you just fill that out, then boom, that's done. They can then sign and then adopt the signature. It'll take a few seconds to generate the packet and compile it. We'll just wait for it, 1 sec. Okay, there we go, it's all done, signed. Now let me show you what that looks like from the staff side. So the staff receives a completed document notification that they've completed it. I'll also show you the copy that the client gets. The client gets a copy email like this. Right, here's a copy of your completed documents. right here. Here's all the documents right here. There's also a link to the mobile app if you have mobile app enabled. And then for the staff, here's the completed email. Here's all the data points that we collected from the web form. Here's all the documents that are completed. And then there's a link that directly opens up the case file. Right? And then we go to activity. Here it is. Here is the activity that was generated called electronic signature. I'll show you how to add that automation real quick, how to get that activity ID and add it to the template so that you can automate that intake. We have all the envelope IDs, we have all the data points we can copy and paste, we have links to all the documents here. We also have all of the PDF documents here. You can see all the data points filled out. You can also see the fee disclosure, it's completed. Here's the signature, here's everything like that. Everything's ready to print, right? And then let me show you how to add the activity ID to start that automation. Go to firm setup. You go to activity tags, right? You can create your own, but the one that I'm using is default in MerusCase. Right here, it's 114. That's activity types ID. You get this number right here, 114. Copy and paste that one. And then let's just open this back up real quick. Actually, let's open up right here. So you have your templates. You can, so if you have a packet, well, at least one template needs that activity ID for you to start it, all right? So this is the intake packet, and this one has the activity ID. You just copy and paste that, you click update, and then it's ready to go. Now you're ready to automate your intake with MerusCase using LegalPal signature. If you have any more questions, you can always look at the other videos or maybe the description and comment below. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.